Hi guys, here are two examples for your Deltamath synthetic division level 3. All right, so for these ones you are going to have a remainder. What is nice is that your remainder, because you can only divide with a degree of 1 for synthetic division, your remainders are always going to equal just a number. So it's always going to be just a numerical number divided by your divisor. All right, so that's how you would write your remainder. All right, it's just going to be a number. There's not going to be like a 7x squared. It's not going to be like 3x. It's only going to be a number, constant. All right, so let's just delve right in. So again, my little box where I'm going to multiply from, opposite sign from your divisor. So it's x plus 5. This is going to be negative 5. All right, my coefficients. So it's 1 is 1x to the third power, 5, negative 7, negative 28. I'm not missing any exponents, so I can just write the coefficients that I see. All right, here's my line. Okay, and the first one's nice and easy. We're just going to bring down that 1. We're going to go ahead and multiply. So here I'm going to use green, multiply with what's in my little box. So 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. And then we're just going to add straight down. So multiply and then add straight down. This is 0. Ooh. Oh, look at this. All right, so 0 times negative 5. Well, that's 0. Of course. No trick here. Negative 7 is going to be down here. So negative 7 times negative 5 when we multiply, that's going to give us a positive 35. All right, 35 minus 28, because your number on the top, that is going to give us, what's that going to give us? That's going to give us a 7, yeah. And it's going to be a positive 7, so I'm just going to positive 7. All right, so here, this final number at the very end, this is going to be our remainder. All right, so we're going to rewrite, change the degrees. So then this way we know which degrees we started with. All right, so here my degree, we start with degree 3. So here for my answer, we're going to start with degree 2. So it's 1 minus the degree you started with. So 2, 1, 0, and then obviously that's your remainder. Here are your coefficients. So when I write this out, it's going to be 1x squared, right? Plus, oh, well, the coefficient here is 0, x to the first power. Well, then that term just cancels out, you know. All right, and then we have negative 7, x to the 0 power, and then we have plus 7 divided by our original divisors, x plus 5. All right, so here we go. What I like to do personally is write everything out and then simplify it to the end. All right, so we have x squared plus this term right here just cancels out, plus be minus 7. Again, this x raised to the 0 power is just 1. And then plus 7 divided by x plus 5. And there we go. That's our final answer. Go ahead and pop that in right here. X squared minus 7 plus 7 divided by x plus 5. Oh, I guess we'll try that again. X squared. No? Why won't you let me write on you? Oh. Well, that was like magic. Just appeared out of nowhere. X squared minus 7 plus, all right, that looks good. Submit my answer. Press yes. Perfect. Guess my computer is also just tired from doing all these videos. All right, we're going to go ahead and do one more problem, and hopefully we will be good to go. I'm going to try and get one with a missing term. Hopefully it'll give me one in a few clicks. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? Ooh, perfect. Ooh, but it's the same plus 5. Why not, right? Okay, so I'm gonna move my screen over so we have some space. All right, so same divisor as from before, so -5 is going to be in my little box. All right, so my coefficients. So here, I guess I just flip-flop my colors. All right, so my degree, we start with 3 is the highest, 2, 1, 0. All right, so here we have 4 for the degree of 3. We have 21 for the degree of 2. And notice we're missing the 1 for 0 for the first power. So this is where we're going to put that filler 0. Ooh, I'm going to do another color so you guys can tell that it's been replaced. All right, we'll do, a colorful one. 0. It's 0. There's no term there. All right, and then what do we have left? -25. All right, draw my line. The first one goes down, okay? And then we go ahead and multiply. What happened? All right, guess that's happening a little bit more than I want to. All right, so we want to multiply what's inside of our box. All right, so 4 times -5 gives us a -20. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and add straight down. Here's my pink, and we're going to add. All right, so here we'll be left with 1. 1 times -5 is -5. Well, 0 plus a -5 is going to be a -5. And then we have -5 times -5. That gives us a +25. Ooh, look, for this one, we don't have a remainder. So there is no remainder. You'll also see a couple people also put another box over here so that they separate and you can tell that that 0 is a remainder. I don't do that, but just so that you guys know why there's people set it up a little bit differently. It's really what you are comfortable with and know which numbers are which. All right, so again, let's make sure. Here's our degrees. All right, we start with 3, so here's going to be 1 less, 0, and then that's our remainder. All right, so we have 4x and then squared. Nice. Plus 1x, well, to the first power, we don't need to write that. And then minus 5x to the 0 power, we don't have to write that, and there is no remainder. All right, and there you go. That's your final answer. Go ahead and plug that bad boy in. All right, 4x squared plus 1x minus 5. It should take it with or without the coefficient of 1. And there we go. So hopefully your level 3, you get by a little bit faster. Again, make sure your synthetic division, your highest degree has to be 1 in order to use it. Any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. All right, have a good day. Bye.